Thank you for choosing Martindale-Avvo to support your legal practice. In this video, you will learn how to initiate a peer review from your myM portal. Positive peer reviews can boost your online presence, making it easier for legal prospects to discover your practice. Plus, endorsements can earn you prestigious awards, like the AV Preeminent Rating, the Distinguished Rating, and the Notable Rating. Before starting the peer review process, you must be a member of the bar for at least 3 years. Although there is no limit to peer submissions, we recommend having 20 to 25 names. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact our customer service team. We will now walk you through the peer review initiation process. To start, make sure you're logged into the myM portal. At this point, navigate to the left sidebar and click the Reviews panel to open your myM portal. In this tutorial, we will be looking at the martindale-and-lawyers.com section. Within this section, you will see the option to manage your reviews. Clicking that button will navigate you to the Client Service Center, where you will be able to make changes. The left side panel Reviews section may already be expanded, like so. If it isn't, simply click Reviews under the Martindale-Avvo heading and select Add References from the submenu. Before entering any additional information, confirm your name is at the top of the page, next to the Nominate Peer References header. If there are multiple attorneys in your firm, you may need to click on the drop-down menu to select your name. Now you can begin searching for your peer reference by first and last name using the search bar. If multiple attorneys appear in your results, you can use additional fields to narrow your search, including city, state, and organization. Click the Add button to the right of their name. Confirm your selection in the pop-up by selecting Add once again. The attorney will be added in the Nominated Peer Reviewers section below. Repeat these steps until you reach 20 to 25 names. You may find some attorneys do not meet the peer review requirements. To learn why, hover over the info icon for more information. Once you have 20 to 25 references, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Confirm Nominations. Once you submit your references, you will not be able to remove them, so we recommend only adding ones you are comfortable with. This will open the Manage Peer References page. Select your list of nominations by clicking the checkmark next to each name. Then click the Submit for Peer Review button at the bottom of the page. Confirm your selections in the pop-up by selecting Save. Congratulations! You have successfully initiated the peer review process. Keep watching for information about what to expect and some helpful tips. Each peer reference will be sent an email from noreply@martindale.com with instructions on how to complete your review. Tell your references to expect this email and have them check their inbox and spam folders. Once you've initiated the peer review, we recommend letting your clients know that they will be receiving an email from Martindale. Here is a sample email to send to your references regarding the peer review process. Here are a few other things to keep in mind after requesting your peer endorsements. We allow at least 2 weeks for your peer references to submit their reviews. Once there are enough responses to meet the peer review rating threshold, we will contact you with the results. Lastly, remember to submit 20 to 25 names to qualify for a Martindale Award. And that's it! You are well on your way to securing a peer review rating or award with Martindale-Avvo, the nation's largest legal network. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to contact our customer service team.